Getting clients and commission projects can be easy. Hi everybody, if you're new to our channel, my name is Tamara Hergert and I am a professional artist and the leader of the Empowered Artist community. If you have been trying to get more clients to commission your work, but you're tired of waiting for someone to DM you for commissions, or you're tired of trying to optimize your SEO for your website to rank higher, and you don't want to pay for Google or Bing ads to increase your website's ranking, and also you don't want to pay for Instagram or Facebook ads to generate leads for you, and you also don't want to pay for business listing leads and clicks. So if it all sounds like you, then you may be interested in our masterclass, Getting Commission Projects. You will learn a free and easy way to position yourself online to get found by clients. Would you like your inbox to be flooded by emails from clients who would like to work with you? And would you like to stop agonizing over your social media feed and stop waiting for people to DM you for commissions? If it's a yes, then Getting Commission Projects Masterclass is for you. Here's what you will learn: step-by-step guidance on how to position yourself online to get found by clients easily without having to pay for ads, boosts, or leads. It's an easy and free way that requires no constant posting, very little maintenance, and here's what you'll get. So you'll get the step-by-step guidance, how to set up and optimize your online presence so clients can find you easily. Plus, you'll get 2 success checklists that will help you identify the areas that you have perfected and also the areas that you still need to improve. So sign up now for Getting Commission Projects Masterclass if you would like to finally figure this out and feel that getting clients and commission projects has never been easier. So let's see what other people are saying about this masterclass. And Anastasia says, yes, the masterclass was helpful. Looking forward to setting up and getting commissions. I'm also considering taking the second class. So, by the way, the second class is called Working on Commission Projects. Take this class too if you would like to learn how to price your commission projects, communicate and negotiate with clients. Sometimes they do want to negotiate, create a project agreement, and make working on commissions feel like a breeze for both you and your clients. So check it out and sign up. This class is also highly rated by other artists, so I think you will like it. And I think you will find both classes helpful. So sign up now, or you can become a member to get access to all masterclasses, best practices, artist interviews, and live Q&As. Thank you, and I will see you in class.